So one of the rules is never trade when the market is open. If it said never, then I should correct it, because what I should say is try not to trade when the market is open, because I think in the real world there are always exceptions that you want to. So I try to leave myself the freedom to break those rules, but trade station, you get your monitor, you get your access, you can trade at any time, you can react to prices. I mean, it gives this completely false impression, at least of what I'm trying to do. And I think that it's selling people a false hope. I think that the traders that make money, somebody I know was he recently left his job, but he was a chief currency trader for Goldman Sachs, for Citigroup. Citigroup gets huge flows, and they work hard on getting those flows. They are not making money because they have they're making money because they can charge a bid-ask spread, and because they have temporary knowledge of a huge order that's just come in that they can sort of like price away from the market a little bit, and then they can resell it to somebody else. So maybe if you're a chief currency trader at Citigroup, that trading idea works, or that approach to the markets work. But I think in the vast majority of circumstances, I mean, I'm trying to buy something today that will go up ideally 3x over 3 years or 4x. So it's like very, very large movements in price. And I am blown away by the number of times that who at the time thought it was rational, I now know better, would be dissuaded by the price movement on the day. So the thing is priced at 10, and we know in retrospect that it was going to go to 50. And I didn't buy it because it was trading up by 2 basis points or something, and that really impacts you, and it's crazy. And so I found that it's just simpler, and it's actually it's not I found. I learned it directly from Monish Pabrai. He showed me the rule, and it was obvious to me the minute he said it. Just don't allow yourself to trade when the market's open. Decide the night before what you're going to do, and then put the trade in, decide. I mean, that doesn't mean you shouldn't put limit orders in or find some way to make sure that, but think about it in a quiet environment, and then allow it to happen. And but.